Len, wake up.
Why? What happened? What happened?
You were snoring and it woke me up, so I win.
Just because you woke up doesn't mean you weren't snoring. Maybe you woke yourself up, Snorer the Explorer.
All right, well, let's listen to the recording. George Snorman.
Okay, let's. Ooh, maybe I confess something fun in my sleep. Like I'm really a Russian agent, like Felicity.
Good night, Linda.
I told you that sounded weird.
Fast forwarding.
Oh, here we go.
Is that me? Which one's me?
That one. Oh, maybe that one.
No, that's you.
You.
No, that's you. Okay, that's me.
Yeah,
Yep.
it was you.
Yeah.
Toss up.
Oh, what is wrong with us?